This is Professor Eskew. In this little video, I want to show you how to register into Connect. So here I am on the course homepage in Blackboard. What I'd like for you to do is come over here to the left-hand side of the course menu. Under Learning Modules, click it. When Learning Modules comes up, simply click on Week 1. Then click on Chapter 1. And then click on this LS. LS stands for Learn Smart. Those are one of your assignments where you will go through the chapter in Connect. So I'm going to click this, and you're going to see it's going to give you this security warning. Click Continue. This is going to take me right into Connect. But for you, the very first time, what it's going to say is, welcome to Connect. Would you like to put your access code in or opt to use the free 2-week trial in Connect? You may do either one of those. So if you don't have the money right now to get your code, go ahead and use the free 2-week trial. I would suggest to you, however, don't start that until you're actually prepared to start going in and do the work. Because the moment you click the free trial, your 2 weeks starts right then. Otherwise, if you've got your access code either through Mesa or through Connect, so you can actually at this point buy the Connect access code, and it will also give you an option to buy a hard copy of the textbook if you choose. My suggestion to you is don't buy the access code from our bookstore, but rather go through Blackboard here. In the bookstore, the access code and the soft cover book cost you about $130. If you go through Blackboard, go through Connect here and have a credit card, the access code will cost you about $60 if you want the additional, and that will give you a electronic copy of the textbook. But if you would like to have a hard copy or a paper copy of the textbook, that costs you about another $20–25. So I think the maximum that this textbook and the access code would cost you through the publisher is $85. So I would suggest if you haven't bought your textbook and opened it, go ahead and do it this way. It'll save you about $50 bucks. So that's the process. If you have any questions, let me know, or you can always contact Connect support directly. That's it. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.